The best time to plant tomatoes in Georgia. Tomatoes grow best in temperatures between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the University of Georgia Extension. Fortunately, the Peach State has plenty of days with temperatures in this range, making for a relatively long planting season. Starting seeds. Georgia tomato seeds can be started indoors in late winter. Begin growing these 4 to 7 weeks before the last frost in your part of the state. In southern Georgia, you can begin these in early February. If you live in northern Georgia, you may have to wait until late February or early March. Planting seedlings. Plant seedlings from mid-March to early May in Georgia. Those in the southern part of the state can normally plant any time during this period. Gardeners in northern Georgia, however, should typically plant after mid-April. Second planting. Some residents in the southern part of the state can plant a second crop in July. You could also plant tomatoes in a container during this time. Protect the plants by bringing them indoors at night in September and October if you live in the northern part of the state.